Okay, you guys, let me do this short and sweet. So this here is going to show you guys what I sent out to the group. Give me a second. Let me pull this on screen. This is a screenshot because in my Telegram channel, it has a lot of different individual people on the side right here. So I don't want to show their face because they didn't give me permission. But here's a screenshot. So as you can see, I sent this trade out. You can see I sent it out right here at 6:14 p.m. Okay. At 6:47, I sent this one out, letting everybody know we were halfway to our target. And then right after that, shortly after it did hit target. Okay. So look at the numbers. We told them where to put their stop loss or their stop limit, which is the same thing, which is, where to put their stop limit and where to put their stop loss. Okay. So I say I'm putting my stop at 29,385 and I'm putting my stop sell limit, which is called a take profit in futures. It's the same thing, but they just call it a different name. Sell stop is when you are buying and you put a sell stop, a stop loss. So they call it a sell stop. So I put my stop loss at 29,385, put my sell limit at, or my take profit at 29,505. Okay, so you see this, you see when I said halfway in, and then we won. I put this little picture, something funny. It's actually an emoji with dude dancing. It's actually heck of funny, but that's the screenshot. Okay, so we got that done. All right, so now let's move and see. As you can see right here, what do you see right here? Right here, you clearly see 29,505, and this is live. So you can see the numbers moving right up here because we're about to get our next candle in 1 minute and 2 seconds. You can see it running right there. So let me make that bigger so everybody can see in 56 seconds. So you can see this is actually live. So as you can see right here, this candle hit and took profit. Okay, so I am very happy for the group because, let me share this with you guys. Here's what we've done so far this week. As you can see this week, we had 0 losses, 0. And we've won 7 trades, no losses, no break-evens. And since I started tracking my own personal results, okay, which we've been trading longer than this, but since I've been trading my personal results, we've been 96 and 28. So we were 4 away from 100, which would put us at just shy of 80% win rate. Because if you had 100 and you lost about 20 or 30, or 70% win rate, right? So 70% win rate. But what's going on is these losses were old, long time ago. Our wins have just been racking up. I told them that I was working on a different way of trading because the markets have been tripping quite substantially. And I'm sure you've experienced that since you've been trading. So I switched up my style. And as you can see, we've been on a nonstop win streak. And this week alone, we are up 7 wins, no losses. And I showed you other trades that I was still live in. This one had already hit take profit, and I was actually on the phone with Bluehost at the time because I have the new program coming out for you guys, those who are trading the MT5 and need indicators. I told you I got something for you guys. Y'all not going to even believe it. It's going to be so freaking amazing and so dirt cheap so that anybody across the globe can afford it. You're going to have access to all of my trading systems, everything, all at one time. You'll see. So anyway, I was on the phone with Bluehost, so I couldn't record, but you guys see what happened. So you see it take profit. So let me get out of that and look at there. See, it bounced off of this pullback and it may shoot up even higher and target this next one here, which will be the next TP if I was to have held it. But one of the things I'm sharing with them is get in and get the heck out. Get your profits and get out and just go slow a little bit at a time. So this is Tradeovate, and I'm going to show you this particular account, and I have several of them in Trade Sinker. But you can see on this take profit account right here, on the 50K account, you only need to make $3,000 and then they convert it into a real live account. So I have several accounts running, and then also with Apex. And as you can see, this I've already accomplished this, and you have to trade. There's 2 targets. One, you have to trade for 5 days showing profitability, and number 2, you have to reach a target of $3,000 in profit. So as you can see, by tonight, if I get up for London or tomorrow, I will actually have hit because I only need 200 and just say roughly $263. And then this account will be converted over to a live account. And since tomorrow is Friday, I start trading on Sunday with this live account along with the other one because I started this one along with another 50K Apex account. And let me see what that total is. It should be exact. Um, actually, it's $1.46 difference. Let me see if you guys can see that. Okay, see, you can see my Apex account. Okay, let me go this way. Yeah, that way. So as you can see, it says Apex right there. See, it says Apex right there. Okay, so Apex is showing right there. So you can see this one says Take Profit Trader at the bottom, and this one is showing Apex at the top. See, you see that Apex? And look at the dollar amount. So you can see that this one is 52,73841, and this one is 52,737. So it's only $1 difference. I haven't synced on my Trade Syncer account, which I strongly suggest if you're going to be trading multiple accounts at the same time, get a Trade Syncer. Trade Syncer is a fabulous thing. Oh my God. Traders Connect, I usually use for Forex. I wish they would have something for the futures market. If they do, somebody leave a comment below. But as you can see, this is all I'm doing, and I'm just hitting these accounts with 300 watts at a time, 400, maximum 500. Okay, that's all I'm doing. I'm keeping my game plan real small, so win or lose, it really doesn't matter because I'm never, ever, ever coming close to blowing this account, ever. Max that I'm going to be putting as far as risk to reward on this account is $500. So if I have a drawdown limit of $3,000 or $2,000, and each one of these trades are only $500 or less, there is no way possible that one single trade can actually blow an account. Are you understanding what I'm saying here? Also, let me see if no, I'm not in there. Okay, I thought I was still logged into my Take Profit Trader account because I was going to show you guys that how many days, because this is the 4th day. So by tomorrow, when it converted, no matter what I do, as long as I get the $300, then it'll be a live account because I had to trade for 5 days, right? So that means I was getting up for the London session. I just don't send out alerts during London because I know everybody's asleep. But I did send out alerts during New York and Asian session for most people, but I'm primarily an Asian session trader. For those who want to trade live, I am highly suggesting trade with Miss Jenny. She is an absolute scary beast of a trader, and you can actually physically learn about how to trade futures. Okay, and you'll be in a live New York session with her 3 days a week, Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. She is one of the best who can teach you exactly how the lingo of futures, how to connect. You know, she can explain better than I can because she's the tech genius when it comes to that kind of stuff on how to link your accounts and Trade Syncer and all blah, 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 blah. She also has all the discount codes for all the different prop firms and stuff like that. So join the New York session if you want to do that. Now, if you're a person who just want to be copying on our Forex trade on the Forex side of the business, oil and silver and stuff like that, or gold trades and stuff like that, and the indices, which is separate from the futures, then you want to go to this website, and I'll show you both websites, okay? So if you want to be copied on our trades, on the regular Forex trades, then you want to go here to supereasycopycat.com, and then you'll see a sample video right here. It'll play. You'll see me taking a trade on my trading system here. You'll see it a copy on this account because this is what the software looks like on yours. It'll look just like this, okay? And then when I close it out here, it closes out there. If I adjust my stop loss or take profit, it'll adjust there. Same, just a mimicker. It's just a copier. It copies everything that we do, and it works on the MT4 and MT5 platform. Last but not least for you, let's take a look at this, family. All right, so again, if you want to be trading and getting my alerts, then you want to sign up, go to Futrix, Futtrix, Futtrix.com, and sign up for the Asian session. If you want to trade live with Miss Jenny, then you want to sign up for New York, okay? All right, enough of the commercials. I'm done. I'm tired, and I'm ready to go hang out with Miss Nancy. See, did I not tell y'all? Look at this. See, if we would have held, I already would have made my 300. God, look at here. Oh, my God. Look at there. Pull back, shot up and hit exactly to the target that I told you it was going to go to. Look at that. Bing, bing. Literally hit the target right while I'm recording. See? Can't make this up. Can't make it up. I literally marked this out and I said, I think the next target is going to be right to this candle. And look at where it is right now. Right in front of you. See, I don't make stuff up. I don't make it up. I'm just good at what I do because you've been around these charts so long, so for so many years, you just know its behavioral patterns. So if it breaks through one level, you already know, okay, it's going to go to the next one and to the next. Now, The key is when you're trading, you don't know for sure. So that's the reason why you set the main target. And anything after that is cake. You know what I mean? It's cool. You know, you can hold longer, but at least you hit your target, got your money, and you're out and you're done for the day. So I'm actually done with trading and I'm done recording. So peace and hair grease. And if you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be glad to address the concerns for you. Okay? Peace.